In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line to candlestick in Tradingview. If your chart is showing a simple line and you want the richer detail of candlesticks, this quick walkthrough will get you there in seconds. And I'll explain what you are seeing so it all makes sense. First, open your chart in Tradingview. Any symbol works, and any time frame works. Just make sure you are looking at the main chart area so you can access the toolbar across the top. Now move your eyes to the top left of the chart. You'll see a small icon that shows the current chart style. If you are on a line chart, it will look like a sloping line. If you've used a different style before, that icon might show bars, candles, or another style. And that's perfectly fine. The place you click is the same. Click that chart style icon. A drop-down menu appears with all the available styles. This is the menu that controls how price is visualized on your chart. From this menu, choose Candles. The moment you select it, the chart switches from a single price line to candlesticks. Each candle typically shows the open, high, low, and close for your selected time frame, giving you far more context than a line, which only connects closing prices. Green or up candles indicate price closed higher than it opened, while red or down candles indicate it closed lower. This makes it easier to spot momentum, ranges, and key reversals at a glance. If you are exploring variations, that same menu also offers hollow candles, Heiken, Ashi, and bars. Hollow candles emphasize whether price closed above or below the open by filling or hollowing the body. Heiken Ashi smooths out noise by averaging values, which can make trends look cleaner. Though individual candle values differ from standard candles, bars deliver the same open, high, low, close information in a compact style without the candle body. These options don't change your data. They simply present it differently so you can pick what best suits your analysis style. Switching styles does not affect any indicators or drawings you already have on the chart. It only changes how the price candles themselves are drawn. And if you ever want to go back to a line chart or try another style, just return to that same drop-down and choose your preference. That's it. Thanks for watching.